In this video, we are going to see how to configure the Touchwin HMI and how to download the program to the HMI. Okay, first we have to open the software Touchwin editor. This is the software. So we have to open. We need to create a new project, new. So we have to select HMI model. Already HMI model is selected. So I am going to use TG765S-MT model. So if you have another model, select that model according to that. Next, then we have two communication port in HMI. One is PLC port, another one is download port. So which PLC we are going to communicate, that we have to select here. In PLC port, I am going to connect Xinje Axis series PLC, default one. Download port, I do not want to use this one. If you want to use this port, select the PLC model. We have so many PLC models are available. Mitsubishi FX series, Siemens S7-200 series, 300-400 series, Omron PLC series, and we have Modbus RTO and ASCII slave options also. Schneider PLC, Alan Bradley PLC, AB PLC, ABB PLC, Emerson, Idec, Delta. So most of the PLC we have here. So whatever PLC we are using, we need to select here. Okay. Next one is project name. Here we need to type project name. So I will make one sample program. So this is the lamp. So it will indicate M0 status, and I will put one button. I'll use same M0 for this button. I'll make it a reverse operation. So this is my sample program. So now I'm going to download this program to the HMI. You have three options here. One is upload option and download option and download options. So there is a difference between these two download options. First one is single arrow mark, second one is double arrow mark. In first option, we cannot upload the program from the HMI. In second option, we can upload the program from the HMI. Okay. Now I am going to use second option. So the download will support the upload. Set the project encrypted information. That means if you want to set password, you can set it here. Select this one, and you can type the password here. If you don't want password, disable this one. Okay. Now program is downloading. So it's loading in HMI also. You can see here. Okay, download completed. Okay, our program is there. So now we don't have PLC. So our PLC not connected to the HMI. So it will show some error, communication error. It's showing. Okay. Next we will upload the program from the HMI. Okay, now we will upload the program from the HMI. For that, again I will open the software. So now we have only one option here, upload option. So that I have to select. So now uploading is happening. Okay. Again I will do. See, we can see HMI also. So uploading done. So our program is came here. So like this, we'll download and upload the program to the HMI. Okay, thanks for watching this video.